Welcome back to the channel, fellas. So, got the twin turbo kit on my truck. Just wanted to give y'all a quick little startup and give y'all an update about what's going on with the truck and the conditions and everything like that. Pretty cold night tonight, so hopefully she starts up well. Go ahead and fire it up. Not too bad. Alright, let me go ahead and shut it off and I'll go ahead and give y'all a little update. Man, oh man, this kit is something else. In a good way though. So, it's a twin, it's the base model kit, the 60 millimeters. I went ahead and had the compressor housings powder coated and everything like that. Thought I'd set it off a little bit. Matched my back to blue on the front. I think I'm going to make a separate video to give y'all a little bit of ideas on what it took to make this kit fit on this truck. This kit is originally an 11 through 14 kit, and this is a 2015 truck, so the front end's different, grill's different, a couple other things. But I mainly want to just give an overview of how I like the kit so far and the tuning details. I switched over. I'm now running an MVP 12 HP tuners. Way easier to data log. I like the interface much better. So far so good. I still got the stock wastegates on here. Everything seems to be doing really nicely. The boost is way easier to control now. On the other kit it was kind of all over the place and it was hard to get a gauge on it. This thing has just been solid on me trying to command boost. So far so good. I'm about 8 or 9 psi. Me and my tuner's working our way up on it. So it's running pretty good right now. But yeah, it just these turbos are so much smaller than that other one. I mean, I had the single on there and it was a 1.15 AR on the exhaust housing, and these are 0.6s, 0.72s I believe. So these things light up really fast. I mean, I'm talking like 3,200 RPMs are almost in full boost. So it hits the converter pretty hard when it comes on. So I think it's going to be a good thing for me to be able to tune it at the track and on the street. Definitely can't be rolling around on these tires. I got these new American Racing rims and tires, and they're the Toyo Proxy 3s. And as nice as tread as they are and how soft they are, they still don't hook at all, even on 7 or 8 pounds of boost. So right now I'm running some Mickey Thompson Street R 305s just to data log, and I take them off when I'm done and throw the stock tires back on it. But shout out to my boy Billy for letting me use him for the time being. I gotta hit him back up, but yeah, I'm really happy with the kit so far. Can't wait to get it fully dialed in. Everything seems to be good so far. I went ahead and made these custom turbo guards because I didn't want to buy the turbo guards, so I just bought a 4-inch Finco coupler and I cut it in half, and each side had clamps on it, and I got some I forget what size wire this is. It's basically chicken wire. It's folded in and clamped down, and it does really nicely until I find some low profile air filters, because these air filters over here are not going to work. These guys right here, let me get them out. These are the ones that come with the kit. As you can see, I mean, I can get one of them on there, probably this side, you know, more than likely, but the other one that's not going to work out too well. So I have to figure out what to do about the AC line and everything. Get like a low profile one that comes out to about right here. Still breathes good, but yeah, just wanted to give y'all an update. I'll make another separate video on more specifics on what I had to do to make the kit fit, but figure I'd let y'all know what was going on. Anyways, hopefully the next video's got a couple pulls in it, maybe show y'all what kind of power it's making, how it's delivering the power and stuff. So y'all take care. Comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and if you see anything you'd like to me to mention in the next video or anything upcoming, let me know and I'll try to get specific information for y'all. Alright, I'll holler at y'all later.